Namaskar, welcome to Momo's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make chicken rotisserie or chicken roast in my kitchen, and I'm going to show this in very easy steps. Let's check out the ingredients. I have garlic powder, onion powder, ginger powder, mixed herbs, black pepper powder, salt, dried rosemary, paprika powder, lemon juice, chili flakes, and some olive oil. First, I have washed my chicken, and now I am patting it dry with a kitchen towel or a tissue paper to get rid of the extra moisture or extra water. And now I am seasoning my chicken with some salt and pepper and season it every part of the chicken and inside the cavity too. My lovely viewers, my video will be a little longer as I have tried to show here the full marination step by step. If you know, then you can skip and watch. If you don't know, then please do watch. This is a very important step. After seasoning my chicken with salt and pepper, now I have added here some dried rosemary, dry garlic, onion, paprika powder. Instead of paprika powder, you can use Kashmiri red chili, because paprika powder gives a very good red color here, and even the Kashmiri red chili too. And if you don't get onion, ginger or garlic powder, then you can add the paste here too and marinate the chicken well. And rosemary herb is needed here. You can add, instead of rosemary, you can add oregano here. Now I will add lemon juice, 2 slices of lemon juice here. This will tenderize our chicken, and prick with a fork so that the masala goes deep inside the chicken pieces. Let me share an interesting fact about chicken roast. Originally, it was appeared in France during the medieval period, and the king over there used to like this a lot. And the first roast was made with a dog, and they used to, prick 2 iron rod into the dog, and they used to place it on fire. So after in 1946, chicken rotisserie was introduced in Mexico in street side corner. The first roast was known as chicken Rio. And after that, chicken roast has been introduced in all over the world, and countrywide started their own recipes of full chicken, like the tandoori chicken is our Indian style. And today I'm cooking the European style of chicken roast. And now after adding lime juice, here I have added a little bit of onion powder, some paprika powder, some mixed herbs, and I'm pricking here with a fork so that my masala goes deep inside the chicken and not a single side should be left blunt. And see, I will marinate this chicken for about minimum 3 hours or overnight. For more recipes, you can join me in my Facebook page, where I have shared many recipes there. The link is in the description box. Please do check. And if you not have yet subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe, press the bell icon, like, and don't forget to share with your friends. Now I'm taking a baking dish, and above that I'm going to place one silver foil so that my juices doesn't waste and it all comes into the silver foil. After 4 hours of my marination, I have taken it out and it seems okay. Now I'm adding little bit of garlic powder again, a little bit of onion powder, some paprika powder and some rosemary, and marinate our chicken again with this spices. I have tried to show the exact way of cooking an English or European chicken roast. You can make it in your own way too. The masala which I have used here, I have given in the description box the amount. please do check once and please do watch the full video. Now I'm going to place it in the tray, baking tray, and I'm going to stuff 1 egg, some onions, some garlic, some ginger, and 1 tomato, and some stems of cilantro or coriander. If you have fresh rosemaries, then very good, it tastes very wonderful. And if you have celery too, that also tastes good here. And I will seal it out with a thread so that my masala doesn't, my stuffing doesn't come out. And this is some tricky thing. Just you need a little bit of practice. See the way I'm doing? I'm sure you can make it. You can make dried ginger, onion and garlic at home. Just cut into pieces, sun-dried out all the ingredients and grind it in the mixer and keep it in an airtight container. Some chili flakes, and now I will place some veggies, some potatoes I have cut here, see. I will place my chicken on top of my potatoes so that my chicken cooks evenly from all the sides, and the juice from all the veggies comes out with the chicken juices, and it gives a very good taste, and the chicken will remain moist too. And I will add some olive oil, round about 3 to 4 teaspoons of olive oil. If you have wine, then it goes very well with this wine too, and wine will tenderize the chicken and cook more faster. My chicken is done and it's ready to go into the oven. I have preheated my oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, and now I will cover it with the foil from top so that my chicken cooks evenly or from all the sides, not only from the top, and the chicken will remain moist. And now see, 200 degrees Celsius, and I will cook it for 40 minutes first, and then I'll check, and then I'll do it for 1 hour. The cooking time depends upon your own temperature of your oven, so do please check once before you take it out. And now my chicken is ready after 1 hour. I'm cutting the pieces out from this for serving. Hope you like the video, and don't forget to share. I have tried my level best to show the full recipe of a chicken roast. Hope you will make it, and hope you liked it, and make this for dinner tonight and surprise your loved ones. And this is yummy and juicy chicken roast. See, the juices are coming out, and really, trust me, it's worth having.